Good morning. I'm Dan Schatt, General Manager of Financial Innovations at PayPal. 18 months ago, PayPal made a radical decision, and that was to open up its payments platform. And this means that financial institutions and developers can basically build their own applications on PayPal, leveraging all of PayPal's assets. The over 230 million user base that we have, over 8 million merchants in over 190 countries, and all of the supporting operational and risk infrastructure that we have. This year, we'll enable over $1 billion of volume through this platform of innovations. Very fortunate today to have my friend Mike Bausch with me at Discover. Discover's a true innovator with us. They're the first card issuer globally to announce that they've basically built an application leveraging the power of PayPal's platform and the unique assets of Discover to create an application called Money Messenger that Mike's going to demo for you right now.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you. So, as Dan mentioned, Discover has created an application that takes advantage of the open API environment of PayPal. We decided to call it Money Messenger, and it is a way for anybody with a Discover card account to send money to anybody with an email address or mobile phone number using the Discover card and the PayPal network. And I will demonstrate. First, I'll use a mobile phone, and this happens to be my account, so I'll just show you kind of how it works. Anybody that has a Discover card can download an iPhone app or use mobile web. And when you download our iPhone app, one of the options now is Send Money. And when I click Send Money on the mobile application, a screen comes up that allows me to either send money or check the history of the money that I've sent. You notice the Powered by PayPal logo there. Just quick and easy way to do it is to choose from contacts. I happen to have Dan's name queued up for this demo. And I'll choose his mobile phone number. And just to demonstrate, I will send Dan some money. I bet Dan $500 that this would be a more difficult process than he thought it would, so I will admit defeat and I will send him the money. Now, when I choose the money, I pick whether it's friends or family or goods or services. P2P transactions on Discover Network are considered friends and family by default, so that allows me to just kind of enter the amount and hit continue. It asks me to verify, and everything looks good here, so I will hit send money. And in a couple seconds, after the Wi-Fi kicks in here, I will get a message that says my money has been sent. It will confirm the mobile phone number, and it's on its way across the PayPal network. So a couple of things. First, this transaction bills as a purchase. So it will come up in my Discover card statement along with all the other purchase activity that I have. It's not a cash advance. If I choose to pay it off at the end of the billing period, I'll pay no interest on it. So that's one of the nice features of it. The second is it costs nothing to Dan or I. Both sides of the transaction are free to the customer. And the third and important thing, fairly important for Discover's business model, we pioneered cashback rewards for purchases. And so our business model relies on paying customers cash as a transaction benefit. And so you'll earn cashback bonus on this transaction as well. So off the money goes. And where did it land?
All right, looks like you left out a couple zeros there, at least one zero there, Mike. So you can see that I've got the notification in real time that the money has arrived, but let's make sure that it's really there. So let me just quickly log into my PayPal account.
We all saw your password.
Okay. Okay. So basically, I can go right into history. You see that I had $3 in my account already. The $50 is there. So I can just go right to history here. And there it is. So once I've got the money in my account, there are a few things that I can do with it. I can obviously pay wherever PayPal is accepted at over 8 million merchants around the world. I could, if I had a free PayPal debit card, walk up to an ATM machine and just pull the cash right out. I could push the money into any bank account of my choosing, or I could send the money anywhere around the world. It's important to note, too, that there's a lot of compliance and risk applications that are running in the background that are KYCing the customer, doing a lot of OFAC checks, fraud checks, making sure that all of these sanctions lists are scanned, and in general, making sure that we're complying with the regulatory requirements of every country that we operate in. But this doesn't have to just be sent from an iPhone. Mike, can you show us how we could do this from a laptop as well?
If we can switch over to the laptop view, I can show you. So I'm logged into my account on Discover Card, and we added a tab that says Send Money. And it works the same way. Now, a lot of customers, when they try using PayPal for the first time, we found in testing that they're more comfortable using the big browser than, say, sending money on a mobile device. So we built a big browser experience as well. And in the spirit of really exciting demos, I'm going to pick 3 people that I met this week, and I'm going to send them money. The first will be the guy that I had lunch with at my table yesterday, who gave me his business card. And let's just see how fast he gets his money.
You got 30 seconds.
Okay, so we'll just try it out. And it works the very same way. You confirm it, and you hit send. And if Hans is in the audience, he will have his money in no time. So that's Money Messenger. The nice part about it is you still get the cashback bonus, and you still get the purchase transaction on it.
Thanks.
Anything to add?
I think that's
Hans,
it.
are you in the audience before we get gonged? All right. He kept his money.
Thanks very much.